Hey social studies students, welcome to your second online lesson. I'm going to start by walking you through the different steps of where we need to go today in order to complete the lesson. So to start, we're going to go to classwork, click on do now for today, and then complete your do now. Once you fill this out and hit submit, you are done with your do now. Clicking out. The second step is I'm going to go back to my stream, so this home page. And then you are going to answer today's collaborative question about how have your first online class has been going. Be as specific as possible, ask any questions you might have, or respond to each other. You'll notice that it's labeled with the date so that you can see which one you should be completing. Then you're going to go back to classwork, and then today's lesson, since it's 410, is right here. Click. As always, it's going to start by just showing you the agenda of where everything is going to be. And then if I continue down, we're going to have the video, which you've already found. And now the first part of this is two things. It's both reading this text about ancient China's geography and then clicking on this video and using this video to help answer any questions you might have. You have one guiding question here, and it's why was China so isolated from the rest of the ancient world? As you're thinking about that, remember that isolated, it means far away from other places. It means on its own. If I'm isolating myself, I'm going to stay away from everyone else. So right now would be a perfect example of how everyone needs to isolate themselves to help take care of the people in our country. Now, the next step in today's lesson will be to look at a couple online resources. Now, for these two resources, you do not need to have an account for either of them. You're just going to click, read, and then click and answer the questions. What I'm suggesting you do right here is if you can open both tabs. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I have one tab open here, and then I'm going to make that half screen, and I'm going to go back to my lesson and then click on the other tab. And now that I have both tabs open, I can answer these questions. Oh, where'd my other one go? There it is. I can answer these questions right here as I read the text here. When you get to the end, you will be hitting done for the questions. So I'm going to just answer one, and then you'll receive a score. This is the part where you're going to use something called a snipping tool. Now, many of you have familiarity with it. If you don't, you're just going to follow along with what I'm doing. If you type in your search box, snip. Now, once you click on the snipping tool where it says new, it's going to give you this type of pointer. All you're going to do here is take a snip of your score, hit copy, go back to today's lesson. I don't know why I have two open. That is not a smart thing to do. Don't do what I did. Click paste, and then just post it right here. And that is that part of the lesson. Remember, you can always go back and rewatch it if you're struggling using that snipping tool. And if you have questions, just wait until your social studies block, and then your teachers can help answer them. The next part will just be in a map analysis. So you're going to be looking at these two maps to answer the two questions here, and then these three questions over here. If at any point you want some extra credit, you can answer these extension questions below. They aren't in blue because they aren't required. So just remember, anywhere you see blue, that's where there should be typing. For the next part, you're going to look at some effects of the Warring States period. The first thing to do is name what were the three philosophies that emerged from the Warring States period. So you're going to click here and then find those somewhere here and type in those three philosophies. Now, this part of the lesson is going to be about annotating. You're going to annotate in green if you agree, yellow if you somewhat agree, or red if you disagree. So read what these three advisors said, and then you're going to label them based on how much you agree. Now, this part is Quizlet. Many of you do have familiarity using Quizlet. If you don't, you're going to use this section. So follow exactly these steps to take you to Quizlet and help you set up an account. If you've already used it, you can just follow these steps, and then you are going to all be studying these 30 terms of ancient China. Again, if you have questions logging in or about how to set up an account, and you've already tried these steps, you can ask your teachers during the study block time. And then last step is just on Edge Elastic, completing your mastery check. This is your second module, so you're going to be completing module 2. And then just remember that these are the times when your teachers will be available to answer any questions or where they might be giving you feedback on your work. Have a great whatever day it is.